What you doing now, Chef Dave?
Chef Dave is making Mediterranean chicken a la Dave.
And do you have any clue what you're doing?
Not a clue.
Just making this crap up as you go.
Does this tell you?
Oh. We're Dave and Karen from Watts on Wheels, and we sold our sticks and bricks to RV full-time now that we are retired. We travel with our heavy-duty truck Leroy, our 2 K&M motorcycles, our DRV Dixie, and our smart car Zippy. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that bell to be notified when we post a new video. You got chicken breast there?
Yeah.
Split it open, now you're trying to pound it out.
I'm going to try to pound it out.
I tried to make a Mediterranean marinade using like 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, a little garlic, a little oregano, a little parsley, and I ended up just taking olive oil and adding all-purpose Greek seasoning to it. This stuff is awesome. Getting serious!
Beat the hell out of them.
Okay. So I have some olives, some feta cheese. Dave went and got chicken and spinach, and we're going to make this up as we go. Doing the coochie coo on it?
Doing the coochie coo. Hey,
That's probably pretty good. What do you think?
I think it'll work.
And of course I'll put the recipe in the description below if we can figure out what it is.
Okay, Karen's taking over.
I'm trying to get the marinade on the other half of this chicken. Could be. Then, the trick is to get, I don't have one of those, what are they called?
Cryovac.
A cryovac.
Look at that blade. Suck a golf ball through a garden hose.
Oh, come on!
Okay, the chrome off a trailer hitch.
The trick is if you can get all that air out of there, it drives the flavor down into the chicken. So, if you're going to put this in the fridge, you want to let it sit out and get to room temperature.
I'll let it sit out, I think.
Okay. Dave's out working on the pontoon boat, so I'm going to pick up where he left off. And I think I know what he wants me to do. And I'm going to start with spinach. I'm going to destem a bunch of spinach. So I got like this much.
Yeah.
And just chop it a little bit, huh?
Yeah. Give it a rough chop.
Okay, so I'm going to put that spinach in the bowl.
Yeah.
And then you want me to add
Olives.
sliced Kalamata olives.
There you go.
You got these because they're sliced. Make it easy.
Yeah.
Do you want any of the juice in here? These are like purple. Let me try one of these. I've never seen them. Tastes like an olive. And what do you think? About a half a cup or about a third of a cup?
Yeah.
And feta.
Feta. Okay.
About the same amount. Maybe a half a cup of that.
Yeah.
And then you just kind of mix this all together. Looks like a good salad. That's what it looks like.
Basically what it is. I'll help you with that. I'll put that away. How's that?
And now we're just going to kind of, lay it on one side and fold it over?
Yeah, try to.
And then this one's a little odd shaped.
Well,
Oh well.
looks like a sub sandwich.
I'm going to put it directly into the skillet.
Why not?
And then wish me luck on this one.
Yeah. Oh, I think you got it. Look at that.
Okay. The oven's not quite heated up yet. It looks pretty.
There it is. Look at those bad boys.
So I just had this burner on to get the pan hot, so I could put a warm pan into the oven. And what do you think? It's at 350. How long do you think?
Let's go 25 and then look at it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Da 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 da.
Da, 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 da.
Ooh.
Oh.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Oh man, that smells good. Oh, there we go.
So that all that juice must have come from the spinach.
Spinach of the chicken. There we go.
You want to scoop up some of that juice and put it on there?
Oh.
Good stuff.
You're gonna like it.
It's different than anything I've had before. It's very good.
It is.
It's super moist and tender.
Yep, and the flavor is just outstanding.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You know what? That juice that was left over in the skillet, you could put on your
On your
salad and do a wilted spinach salad with that.
Mm-hmm.
Ha!
Oh yeah. Well, I gotta go now. Mm-hmm. Bye-bye.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. What are you doing? Are you drinking all the juice that was left over?
Yeah. It's good. I tell you. That was a good meal.
That's a do-over.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.